So firstly, we know what we learn in this class in 1 month. So firstly, we learn about fundamental of networking, means introduction and this types of communication, networking type, about devices and everything. Okay, and then we learn about the OSI model
Yes,
and TCP/IP model. Okay, and then we learn about the IP addresses and subnetting, how we can find the IP address, how we can do subnetting, all these things. And then we start routing. Means, communication between two different networks. Okay, so in routing, firstly we do static routing, and in dynamic routing, we learn about protocol, RIP, AIGRP, OSPF, and BGP, Border Gateway Protocol. And also we do the introduction of the MPLS. And then we come on the switching part. Firstly, we learn about the basic of switching. Then we learn VLAN,
Mummy.
VLAN, VTP, DTP, STP, and then we learn about the Ether channel. Okay, and then load balancer protocol. Then ACL, NAC, DSCP, port security. All these things we do in the 1 month. Okay,
Networking.
yes, in networking. If in class, if you get any doubt and if you are not understand any topic in the class, then you can told me. Okay, in the class or after the class, anytime. Saurav,
Yes, sir.
you get any doubt, then you can told me anytime. Okay, bro.
Yes.
So, firstly, why? Uh, can you explain what is networking? Hello, Wahid.
Yes, sir.
What is networking? Bro? Anything you want to tell me?
Connecting two or more devices for communication purpose.
Yes, good. Saurav,
Yes, sir.
what is networking? Bro? What is network?
Networking is connection of more than two devices with the help of some system switches, IP address, and many things.
Hmm. Okay. So first we know about the what is network. So when two or more devices that connect together to share information. Okay, so when two or more devices connect together to share information, that is our network. After that, we'll learn about types of network. So we learn about three types of network on the basis of host roles. In host roles, we have two types, client and server, and second one is peer-to-peer. In client server, we have one centralized device and all the other devices connecting to this centralized device. Okay, bro. And in peer-to-peer, all the devices connect together to share information. No any centralized device on which is no. Okay, means all the devices connect together directly. No any centralized devices. Okay, so this one is client server and this one is peer-to-peer. Okay, bro. Second one is on the basis of geography. Here we have two types. LAN means local area network and second one is WAN, wide area network. Okay, and on the basis of participation. Here we have three types private network, only authorized person can access the network. Okay, second type is public network, authorized as well as unauthorized person can access the network. Third, third one is VPN, virtual
private.
private network. Okay, this is used to make tunnel between two private networks over public network. Okay, so this is the types of network, and now modes of communication. First, modes of communication is simplex, means one-way communication. Okay, one-way communication example, our TV, radio, this thing. Second one is half duplex, two-way communication, but data travel one side at a time. Okay, two-way communication, but data travel one side at a time. Can anyone please give me example for this?
Hub, sir, hub.
What to?
Hub is a device connected in the first layer, physical layer, hub. Can we call it hub duplex communication?
So listen about the walkie-talkie and police wireless. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Walkie-talkie, bro.
Okay.
And third one is full duplex. Two-way communication and data travel both sides at a time. Example is mobile. Okay, why?
Yes, sir.
Third one, next topic is types of communication. So we have types of communication. First one is unicast, means one-way one-to-one communication. Okay, second one is multicast, means one-to-many communication. And third one is broadcast, means one-to-all. Just like if I am talking with only with Guru, so this is one-to-one communication, or we say that unicast. Okay, but if I talk with Guru as well as uh, Wahid, so this is our multicast. If I
Multicast.
talk with everyone,
All.
Guru, Wahid, and Saurabh, so this is our broadcast.
Broadcast.
Understand, Saurabh? Hello.
Hello.
Okay. So next thing is network devices. about we learn in this 1 month. So we learn about the router. What is router? Saurabh,
Yes, sir.
what is router?
Router, router is a machine which gives us wireless connections or LAN connections.
Hmm. And Guru,
Don't use access internet.
uh,
If you want to use to access internet, if you don't use to access internet.
so router is
बेसिक पर्पस तो यही होता है ना सर, डाटा को ट्रांसफर करना राउटर का.
हाँ भाई सही हो बोल रहे हो. मतलब डेटा ट्रांसफर करता है बट अभी जो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे तो अगर एक साइबर सिक्योरिटी इंजीनियर हो नेटवर्किंग पढ़े हो तो उसके बाद तुम क्या बताओगे बताता हूँ. ठीक है सौरभ.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have only passed 12th class.
ओके. Knowledge not depend on your qualification, bro.
Yes, sir.
Always remember. This is layer 3 device on OSI model. Okay, and it's used to communicate between different network. Okay, because router every interface connect different network. Okay, so it's used to communicate between different networks and it work on logical address. Logical address means IP address. Okay. Second device is switch. So this is layer 2 device on OSI model. And it used to communicate in local area network and work on physical address. Physical address means
MAC address.
MAC address. So every device has two addresses. One is logical address and one is physical addresses. Okay. Now learn about network topology. Any doubt in this all topic? Anyone? Wahid, Guru,
No.
No, sir.
Saurabh? Okay. So what is network topology? Network topology means how the devices connect together. Okay. So physically or logically. So first one is star, second one is ring, then bus, and then mesh. Okay, that's about this four topology. Firstly, we know about the star. Star means we have one centralized device and all other devices and the devices are okay. And in mesh topology, this one is our star topology. This one is our mesh topology. Now we talk about the bus topology. We have one cable like this and all the devices connecting to. This one is our bus topology. Now we talk about the ring topology. Ring topology means it forms a circle. Here this is not a circle, but this is in circle form. Okay. Any doubt? Anyone? Hello.
No, no, sir.
Okay. I can save this and I can tell you. This is unicast one-to-one communication. Now you can see this. Okay. This is multicast one-to-many or in a group, and this one is broadcast one-to-all communication. So this is our switch devices and router, and now we talk about the cabling. Okay, so we are not going to learn the cabling in depth, but we learn about something how the cable is connected and all these things, how Ethernet cable. Okay, so always we talk about the Ethernet cable. Everyone listen these things.
Yes.
So what is Ethernet cable, bro? Hello. Why? What is
Okay.
Ethernet cable?
So that is a IEEE standardized cable like copper unshielded cable or shielded cable or maybe fiber optic also. Industry standardized cable that is used to connect devices on the network.
Mhm. Okay. Uh, Saurabh, you listen about this Ethernet cable.
No, sir.
So first we have to know Ethernet is not a cable, it is a technology. This is a technology. Okay. And here we learn about two types of cable, STP and UTP. STP twisted pair means shielded twisted pair. On the cable we have a shield about the copper. So that's why we say that this is shielded. And see here, this is means twisted. Okay, and this one is unshielded twisted pair. So two types of cable here, and UTP always uses in the local area network, or we say that where we have connected all the devices like switch to router,
Rounded.
switch to PC, and all these things. And mostly UTP is more popular. Okay, and shielded is costly, and it always used in the outside. Okay, bro. Now we have two types of cable: straight through and crossover. Okay, straight through cable always used to connect the different devices like a switch to PC, switch to router, or any other devices. And the crossover used to connect the same devices. Okay, and here we have pin pack. So first we learn about the what is straight through cable and crossover cable. When the both side on straight through, you can see this. If there is a green cable, okay, we have four types of cable: green, blue, brown, and orange. Okay, and we have eight cable in one pin: green, green and white; orange, orange and white; brown, brown and white; blue, blue and white. So you can see this. Here we have green cable, and this side we have green. Okay, it means this is straight through. Means pair of cable is same. Okay, but in crossover, if it is start with the green, here we have the orange or orange and white cable. It means both side different cable. Okay, bro. So we have many types in this: phone cable, Cat 3, Cat 5, Cat 5e, Cat 6, and now we this time we are using Cat 7. Okay, all cable has different type of speed. Our speed is also depend on the length of the cable. Okay, speed is also depend on the length of the cable, and it also depend on the cost also. Because if you take a good quality cable, then it is give good network quality also. So we learn about this, and this is don't learn about in deep. So this is network topology, and from tomorrow
OSI.
we will start OSI model, and this is very important. Okay,
OSI मॉडल राउटर पे यूज होता है ना सर?
हाँ भाई था तेज बोलो.
OSI मॉडल यूज इन राउटर ना?
OSI सब में यूज होता है, पूरे नेटवर्क इसी.
ऑल डिवाइसेस.
हाँ मतलब कि जानते हो जितना भी हमारा नेटवर्क चल रहा है ना. हेलो.
यस यस.
पूरा जो नेटवर्क चल रहा है ये हम OSI मॉडल में ही पढ़ते हैं. All the network how running in the backend we learn about in this OSI model. Okay, bro.
यस.
Guru means if anyone can access the Google, how it works, how the data is transferred, we learn in the OSI model. All these things and what is the type of data, size of data, all these things. Okay, Parvez, why?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, bro?
Not so far, sir.
Okay, so from tomorrow we will start OSI model. Now we end this class because today is only introduction class, and from tomorrow everyone get link on time and this class join in time. Okay.
So one question, sir.
Yes, bro.
So for any query, you said to contact you after the class. So
Okay.
how to contact you after the class in case of any query?
Okay, I can send I can write my number, and everyone ping that I can send my this also notes 765.97737.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you everyone.